How you can connect Google Stitch MCP to your Claude Code. So this is gonna be very quick. So firstly, create any project in your Google Stitch. I got here some random one, and once you are here in the top right corner, click on export, and now you have to select screen which you want to use in your MCP. So select screens on the canvas to see export option. So for example, these two pages, and on the right select MCP and set up MCP. Now it's gonna generate your API key, and here click on client and select Claude Code. Now you have here this configuration. You have to copy this whole MCP to your clipboard, open your terminal. I'm gonna run my Claude and now paste here this command which you copy to your clipboard and wait until it's loaded. For me it says MCP server Stitch already exists in local configuration because I did it before, and now you can use this configuration from Google Stitch in your Claude Code. It's connected. So that's all you need to do. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.